Hey cruisers, are you wondering what to expect when visiting Ketchikan, Alaska on your Norwegian cruise in 2022? Here's a quick look. My wife and I cruised to Alaska twice before on the Norwegian Bliss and were surprised that the ship docked at Ward Cove instead of downtown Ketchikan. Come to find out that Ward Cove is NCL's new home port at Ketchikan. NCL and a local development group are developing Ward Cove as a new port. Ward Cove is 7 miles and a 20-minute free shuttle ride from downtown Ketchikan. The outside temperature was a cold 45 degrees Fahrenheit when we arrived at 7 in the morning in early May. A quick facial scan and you'll be allowed off the ship and onto the gangway. Walk along the dock and into a large warehouse that is named the Mill at Ward Cove. The far side of the warehouse, the downtown shuttle will be on the left and the tour escorts will be on the right. As for the free downtown shuttle, the last ride to downtown will leave at 9:30 a.m. and the last ride back will leave downtown at 11 a.m. Hop on the shuttle for the 20-minute ride. The shuttle will drop you off in Newtown, Ketchikan at berth 4. Notice the Ward Cove flag in front of the pavilion that is adjacent to the Tongass Trading Company outlet store. Continue along the boardwalk to berth 3, where a Ketchikan Information Center and Sakai Sam's are located. Inside Sakai Sam's are restrooms that are cleaner than at the Information Center. Continue on the boardwalk to berth 2, where there is another Tongass outlet store, and just past that is the rock sculpture and the Ketchikan Visitor Center. Across the street is the Welcome to Ketchikan sign at Front and Mission Streets. Visit the many gift, souvenir, and jewelry shops in downtown Ketchikan. Also check out the many eateries. After you're done exploring the area, walk back to the bus stop along the water's edge. Remember that the last ride is at 11 a.m. Please note that the so-called shortcuts back to berths 3 and 4 are just marketing gimmicks to get you to walk through the shops in hopes that you will buy some merchandise. Stroll along the boardwalk or through the shops back to berth 4. At berth 4, restrooms are located waterside of the Tongass outlet store. Look for the pavilion and the Ward Cove flags and hop on a shuttle for the 20-minute ride back to Ward Cove. At the mill at Ward Cove, restrooms will be on the left as you enter the warehouse. Pick up some last-minute gifts or souvenirs and head outside to take some photos of the ship. At the security checkpoint, show your stateroom card and photo ID. To reboard the ship, the crew will scan your face on the facial scanner and scan your bags through the X-ray machine. Grab a cup of hot coffee, tea, or hot chocolate to warm up. The outside temperature when we got back to the ship had crept up to 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, this was early May. Watch this video to learn about visiting Victoria, British Columbia, Canada.